How to edit slow motion video in InShot app. So first thing first, let's open the InShot app, and I assume that you have already downloaded the InShot app in your mobile phone. So now you can see once you open it, in create new section there is video, photo and call it. So make sure to choose a video, and now let me choose any of the video from here, because you can choose a video from your gallery from this section. So let me choose the first one that I have, and now after that you can see there is green button at the bottom right corner of this sections on the screen. So just tap on that green button, and finally you will be able to edit your video from this section successfully. So now you can see there is lots of tools available in here. So to edit a slow motion, what you can basically do is you slide it to the left, and you can see there is speed options on the screen. So first just click on the clip, and once you tap on the clip you can see the speed option. Just tap on that speed option, and yeah, you can just edit your slow-mo video from here successfully. So basically this is how, and this is the process to edit your slow motion video in InShot app. And if you still encounter any issue during this process, feel free to leave a comment and I'll be happy to assist you. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time.